up, everyone? Bump for life here. Got the Termlab. Let's see, Termlab. Yeah, you can see it. Got the DD Z9512s. Let me get a light on them. There we go. Got the Termlab in here. You can see Termlab. The Termlab, and got the SPL Lab software all tuned in with the right K factor and everything. Gonna do a quick burp and show you what I'm doing right now on one bank of caps, two D3100s, Singer 350, and DD Z95s wired at 0.5 parallel series on two DDM3Bs. Peaking around 40 hertz it seems, so anyways, here we go. Got my VCM charging up, 15.3, it's pretty cold outside. Here we go. $149.7 at 40 hertz. Drop down. I didn't see what I dropped down to. Let me here. Do it again. Restart it for me, will you? Thank you. We'll show the drop on this one. And 149.6 again. So anyway, and yeah, 149.6. Could you go to the I'll do a 30-second average, mine as well. And we'll go on base box. Now I'm not gonna full tilt right now. I'll give you a little taste. Let's do sugar's pretty close. I think it's 41. Oops. Anyways, yeah. Well, actually, you know what? I have to. I'll let subs cool down. I'll do a 30-second run. But even though it is pretty chilly, 27 degrees. But I have to turn my highs back on because that is have them off for the burps. See you in the next video.